Look at this. This is crazy. You know what? Oh, forget it. Forget it. Forget it.
This the way that we rock. I'm from the bottom, so I aim for the top. And you crazy in the mind if you think I'ma stop. And I'm young, black, and living, still dreaming a lot.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hey, what's good? What's up? It's XOXO Sheba. In today's video, you know it's a wig review. It's a wig review. Calm down, girl. Calm down. This is another Amazon wig that I'm gonna try. It's a 22-inch long one. It looks like it might be like a full lace synthetic. So let's see what the tea is on this. Since you're here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, help me. Help me. Because when I hit 5K, that's the goal, we're doing another giveaway. So help me hit that 5K. Go and hit that subscribe button so we can do this giveaway. 5K giveaway. You get a wig. You get a wig. You get a wig. Not really. One of y'all's gonna get a wig though. So like, it didn't come with like any hard packaging or anything like that, like a box. It definitely just comes in the plastic bag. I can't remember if it came in a box or not, or if it just came in this bag and like wrapped. But none of that even matters right now, okay? It did come with a pair of lashes. However, they look super fake. Sorry, but they do. They look like plastic Barbie doll lashes to me. So, I might just give these away to someone. Hand them to a friend and be like, here you go. It's a present just from me to you. 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it does have the adjustable straps. Okay, but first things first. Look at this. There's a complete like knot right here. Like already pulling out the package, there's a knot. So I'm not too fond of that. Like it shouldn't be this should not be tangling before I even have a chance to tangle it myself. That's just so bizarre to be like, why is it already tangled and frayed? That don't make no sense. The rest of the hair looks pretty decent. It's very soft. As far as the actual hair goes, this is definitely a tangler. I ain't even got to put it on to see that. So I actually decided to try and pluck it on the wig cap, but I feel like even trying to customize this is just pointless because it's a tangled mess already. Like you don't even have a chance. Look at this. This is crazy. You know what? Oh, forget it. Forget it. Forget it. So this wig's so bad, I'm just about to cut the lace and try it on and see what happens. Like, I don't even care anymore. It does have a pretty decent hairline though I'm looking at as I cut it. Why did they give you a widow's peak automatically? Actually, you know what? That's very thoughtful of them to give a widow's peak, because a lot of people with widow's peaks don't have the option to cut off a widow's peak. What was I trying to say there? A lot of people have widow's peaks and they don't have, you know, a little peak there to cover their peak or something. I don't know. Here goes nothing. I don't even know how to do these baby hairs. Oh my goodness. So this was a fail. But let's finish it though. Let's finish it though. Throw my naps to the back. Oh God. The part blends easily. That's one good thing. Let me see if I can untangle this. And of all times, yo, I can't even find my wig brush. I just had it. I don't know where I put it. But that would, you know, that would come in handy a little bit right now. I just feel like I feel like I'm combing it and it's like not getting any better. Like it's just getting worse. I have never in my life had a wig that was this tangled. Just wanna hide them. Like it's just not working out between us. Okay, overall I just don't like this wig. Like I give up. I'm done. It's not even worth the time because I already knew it. Like I don't like this wig. It had potential. It has potential in the looks. I like that they give you the baby hair, you know, to work with, even though it was a tangled matted mess when I got it. It doesn't, like, you can't work with the baby hair well to shape it and form it. Like This is an impossible wig. Like, I'm just annoyed at this point. I don't even care. I shouldn't have to only be able to pull my hair back to get some type of decent look. And I can't even like do anything to the front to make it look like less of a straight line across my head, because these baby hairs won't obey you. Like, they're just gonna do what they want to do. And it's like you can't even go 30 seconds without this thing matting and tangling up. Like, it's a no for me, dog. It's a no for me. Well, if you'd like to purchase, I will link it down below in the description box for you. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget we're doing a 5K giveaway when I hit 5K. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss no uploads from your fave. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out from me in this tangly mess wig.